And our top story, the much-anticipated Universal Studios Singapore has finally opened its doors today. And the theme park is already planning to introduce 3 more rides and attractions over the next 3 years.
A rousing lion dance performance kicked off the opening ceremony of Southeast Asia's first Universal Studios. The crowd started forming since 6:30 in the morning, but had to wait till the auspicious opening time of 8:28 a.m. to enter the theme park. This young girl was among the first visitors in line, and she had her sights set on one particular ride.
The Battlestar Galactica.
The Battlestar Galactica dueling roller coasters are probably the biggest attraction here at Universal Studios Singapore, as it's the tallest of its kind in the world. Now, there hasn't been much of a queue the whole morning, but that's probably because the park is not running at full capacity during the soft opening phase.
Tickets are limited during this period for better crowd control. As a result, visitors do not have to wait long for even the most popular rides.
We actually expect a lot of people crowded. When we came, then we say, hey, how come that, not much of the crowded?
The rides that we have taken, the Revenge of the Mummy, the 2 roller coaster ride, fantastic. So whoever has not come here yet, must come.
Even a downpour couldn't keep spirits down as visitors simply headed indoors. The theme park is already thinking of future attractions to keep the crowds coming back for more.
We will keep the park fresh, for our visitors, as well as be more appealing. So we hope that going forward, every year we will introduce a major ride, at least for the immediate 3 years.
The theme park is also promoting itself overseas, especially to neighboring countries.
Asian markets are our target markets. For example, Malaysia, of course, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, of course, Greater China. What we have been doing is we have been going out to the market itself, talking to the travel agents, to our business partners to create awareness.
Visitors can look forward to other attractions at Resorts World Sentosa, as its Maritime Museum and 5th Hotel will be completed at the end of next year.
All right, let's cross over now to Universal Studios Singapore, where Channel News Asia's Chan Yu Im is standing by. Yu Im, so what's happening right now?
Hi, Oteli. Yes, I'm at Resorts World Sentosa, which is where Universal Studios Singapore is located.
The trick.
Thai Prime Minister Apisit Wachachua is planning to sue Thaksin Shinawatra and the Red Shirt movement for making false accusations against him. Mr. Thaksin had allegedly accused the Prime Minister of being as dictatorial as Adolf Hitler in a video-linked speech to anti-government protesters. The Red Shirts are calling for a popular uprising against the political elite. Some of them have fanned out to Chiang Mai asking people to join their campaign. Still, Mr. Apisit says he is open to negotiations with the protesters as long as they remain peaceful. In Australia,